Finally, Scout is tired and laying on Aster's bed, so Aster's trying to figure out what to do. Oh, he's going to pull her off his bed. Uh-oh. What she said. Just lay down on top of her.
Oh, puppies.
Oh. Aster, go lay on her bed and watch the painting, guys.
Good boy,
Scout,
Aster.
come here.
Scout, say hello, puppy.
She said, I like your bed.
Do you want to sit here?
No. She's just tormenting him. This is all your karma from harassing the cats, Aster. Payback time. He's looking, just giving her a dirty look. She likes, oh look, she's making room for you. Lay down with her. Aster, lay down. Lay on your bed. Go ahead. There's enough room. Go on. Oh, look at this. He gave her his bed.
Good
Amazing.
boy, Aster. You're a good boy. Oh, boy.
So cute.
That's cute, isn't it?
Good puppies. Good puppies.
Cousin love.
Yeah, look at this.
It's so
Good boys and girls.
Are you happy? Oh, she's pretty. You gonna tell her to get off your bed? No. She's sweet, Aster, right? Good boy.
cute. So cute. He was okay in the car and everything?
Yeah, we did very well today so far.
Good. He's very
This is a first everything for Aster. Oh my gosh. It's gonna lay right on top of her. Scout is on Aster's bed. Where you going?